Hello. Today I'll show you how to update your Amazon Fire TV and take a quick tour of its interface. From your home screen, navigate all the way to the right until you reach the settings gear icon. Scroll down and select My Fire TV. Once inside this menu, click on the very first option that says About. Scroll down to check for updates and select it. The system will say, "Checking now," and look for a new version. As you can see, our device is already up to date as of today, June 2026. Now that we're up to date, let's head back to the home screen. If you navigate to the Live TV icon, you'll enter the Live Television section. Let's open the guide to check out the current programming. Keep in mind that to watch a channel, you need the corresponding app installed. Here, we try to open a Pluto TV channel, but since we don't have the app downloaded, we get an "App Not Owned" message. We simply click Quit. Back in the Live TV menu, you can scroll through all the available categories: sports, news, free movies, and more, all organized in a great visual layout. If you go to Live TV sources, you can manage and add your favorite streaming services, like DirecTV or Fubo TV. Just select the one you want, the app will start loading, and you're ready to enjoy your content.